On April 26, 2025, a reckless driving report in Florida took a toxic turn when a driver decided that threatening to punch a deputy in the face while on the phone with her mother was a winning strategy.
Do you have a bad experience at Pinellas County Sheriff's Office?
I have a lot of experience.
You're going to have another one if you don't calm down.
No, I can calm down. I'm so beyond fed up right now. Like, this is actually ridiculous. You're threatening to punch me in the face.
She was?
You're just down.
No. Sounds like you're just getting a ticket.
That's fine.
And then you can go about your way.
She can surely write me a ticket since she wanted to follow me since she's bored.
Okay.
That's completely fine.
Take
She
it to
can see
court.
me in court. Yes,
Take it to
she
court.
can see me in court.
But
That's
if-
absolutely absurd
if you
that
battle
she's
us-
going to follow
if
me.
What's going on?
You battle us out
Into
here,
my neighborhood
you're going to lose.
because she wanted to get me a ticket.
She was one from the bullet.
You still do welfare check based on the bolo. Why is she all hot?
Because as soon as I pulled up, that's where I walked up to. She's yelling. And as I'm sitting here, she's saying she's going to punch me in the face.
I didn't even have to keep driving, but she was following me.
What's the ticket for?
For failure to stop. I stopped past the stop sign, apparently, at that one right there. Apparently.
Okay, we'll go to court.
I will go to court. But this is absolutely ridiculous. Following me for what?
When you were sitting in your car, she was yelling at you?
She was on the phone with her mom. She's yelling, I'm going to punch her in the face. She's going to I'm going to go to jail today, Mom.
So you're mad at her for enforcing something
I'm mad
that
at her for following me for no reason.
Okay, well you can't threaten
So you guys can just sit there and follow people?
You can't threaten to punch us either.
So you guys can just sit there
You
and
understand
follow
what I'm saying?
people for no reason.
You can't-
Without a reason to do so?
Sure. I have no idea. I don't know why she was following you. Maybe there was something else about your car she didn't like. No idea.
I just got into an accident because somebody failed to stop at a stop sign and hit me. So my car doesn't drive perfectly right now.
641 cover call, 570 back. Go welfare check 14.
Take it to court then. That's okay.
Okay.
All right.
Never get out. You can get out.
For what?
You're going to jail.
For what?
Get out of the car.
For what? I'm gonna get out of the. I will get out of the
I'm gonna
vehicle.
cut your
I will
seatbelt.
get out. Let me get out. Oh my God! This is absolutely ridiculous.
No, it's not. What's absolutely ridiculous is you threatening to punch one of my
Okay.
deputies in the face.
Cool. Just stop pulling my hair.
There you go. Here. So you're on the phone with your mom?
Yep.
Okay. Well, she can come and get your car if you want.
Okay. Cool.
Or we can tow it. I mean, it doesn't matter to me.
Well, you can't just leave it.
All right, well, we'll tow it then.
No, just have her come get it.
She's going in your car.
Yep.
Sure. All right.
5 cops for one person. That is crazy. Oh my God.
Hello? Anyone still on the phone? Nope. Okay. Keys. Wallet.
And didn't even give me 0.2 seconds to get out of the car. So yeah. I'm walking just fine.
Well, I understand.
Just tell me what to do and I can do it. You don't need to touch me.
I had a hard time doing that before, so.
You guys gave me one direction to do.
As the arrest turned volatile, deputies were forced to deploy Florida's HALO law for the first time, triggering a high-stakes standoff where bystanders and an aggressive boyfriend were legally pushed back 25 feet just to keep the scene from exploding.
What's your code so we can call your mom?
I think she's right there.
Okay.
Yanks me
He
out of
can
the
stay
car.
25 feet away.
Okay.
And then if they want to take the car, he has to give his driver's license. The black pickup truck?
Yeah. That's her boyfriend. Okay. Yes, please record. Because they've already manhandling the out of me. I'm getting arrested for threatening them, apparently.
All right, so you got to stay 25 feet away according to new Florida law. Yeah.
Bullshit.
Yeah, that's a new law.
That is not a new law.
That is a new
Let
law.
me see that. Where is that?
Look
Let
it
me see
up.
where it's written.
Look it up. Now, if
Sergeant.
you want to take her vehicle, you can take her vehicle.
I want to know what is going on.
Don't touch me. Anybody else can deal with me but you, bitch.
I want to know the whole situation. That
She got stopped for
Please.
traffic.
okay?
Apparently,
In her
she's-
neighborhood.
She's been
In her
A
neighborhood. So you
a
stop people
neighborhood.
in their neighborhood?
a neighborhood.
No, a neighborhood is her neighborhood. So
Okay.
don't say a neighborhood. This is her neighborhood.
To make you
Okay.
feel better if I say her neighborhood.
Go ahead.
Let me check.
She was going to get cited. She didn't agree with the violation. She threatened to punch them.
What's your name?
What's my name?
Yeah. Identify yourself.
Deputy Mike Valenti,
Okay.
61652.
Okay. And you too?
Deputy Figicelli, 59060.
Okay.
And what's your name?
I don't even need to identify.
You're 25 feet away.
Okay, but I wanna-
You're going to go to jail too?
Oh my god, you think you're so big and bad and above everything else. That's crazy.
25 feet away.
I'm well.
We're giving you
isn't
a lawful
25.
order to stay
This is
outside
25.
of this
This
investigation,
is
okay? This is your final warning. This is a new
This-
law.
this
If
is-
you interfere with this investigation, you will go to jail.
All right.
You understand? You have been warned, as it is
You guys got
stated
a
in the
little power.
statute that is required.
A little power trip right now going, aren't we?
We're not done recording with our cell phones.
Yes, you are recording.
I didn't say.
Yes, you just. I'm not the one recording.
With my cell phone.
I,
That's you.
Well,
You have your driver's
okay.
license?
You think you're so cool. Because you're a police officer. Crazy.
Drop that.
Every time I'm going to videotape.
429 ballot, please.
Good. Shows that we're doing our job. Appreciate it.
Maybe. Harassing people in their neighborhood. You're not even telling me the full story, so.
You're just nothing.
You did not. You just said.
You just don't want to listen.
You just said something in the neighborhood. Okay, all lawful. All lawful what? What did she do?
She rolled the stop sign.
What stop sign did she roll?
Wasn't here for it.
Y'all ain't got nothing better to do with yourself.
This is the same.
Okay. Oh, well, I'm not going to throw mine up on YouTube later.
I'm not going to throw mine on YouTube either.
Okay.
I'm not that guy. I'm the guy that's trying to figure out what's going on when she calls hysterical, so. That's the guy I am.
Because there's nobody, committing real crimes or anything.
Do you have your license on you? She wants you to take the car.
You already have. I got the.
Okay.
I got Eden running it right now. She's gonna throw it in the call notes.
Okay, she said that you can take the car. We just got to verify your license and then you can get on out of here. Okay?
Had to call 5 cops over one girl. You're crazy. Oh my god, can't handle shit, huh? You can't handle nothing. Absolutely crazy.
Yeah, she's a hothead, so.
That was in the presence of a deputy. We actually were in the area because we got a call of a reckless driver bolo.
Mhm.
They gave her exact vehicle description and tag and saying that she was in the area of Starkey. So
Because you caught me at the worst possible time. Like, I was already having the worst day possible, and then you were like, it's the fact that you were following me that shit irked me so bad. And then failure to stop at the stop sign, stopping past it, barely.
my deputy just happened to be in the exact area, sees the car pull into the neighborhood. In addition, she runs a stop sign. That's the reason for the traffic stop. And she was a hothead. So
All because you think you're so big and tough. That's crazy. It's funny, actually. It's quite funny.
The date was April 26, 2025, and at 4:55 p.m., a report of a reckless driver in Florida led to a traffic stop that quickly spiraled out of control. An officer initiated the stop after witnessing a stop bar violation at a busy intersection, but the driver was anything but cooperative. The situation turned volatile when the driver became aggressive, remarkably threatening to punch the deputy in the face while venting to her mother on the phone. This verbal assault left the deputies with no choice but to place her under arrest. As backup arrived, officers were forced to enforce Florida's new HALO law, keeping the driver's boyfriend and bystanders at a mandatory 25-foot distance to ensure the scene remained secure. While the car was initially slated for towing, the deputies eventually allowed the boyfriend to take possession of the vehicle after he produced a valid license. It's an intense example of how a simple traffic violation can lead to handcuffs when threats and aggression take the wheel. Subscribe for more videos and witness the frontline fight against crime with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new high-stakes investigation.